If the Nigeria government can stop Wazirike, if Nigeria government can think that they can stop Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if Nigeria government think they can stop Simon Ekpa, if Nigeria government think that by bringing people to the by people for inside Biafra can stop the Biafra agitation, that means they are dreaming Biafra Liberation Army. No be smart, you know. He also went ahead and said that as it be like this now, we be say hope Uzodinma carry men enter inside bush, they throw Obunigwe for near their camp. He said that very soon they are going to be outside, and there is nothing will stop them from restoring Biafra. Not be smart, you know, my people. We go play the video, may you watch as it happen before we come back. Continue. However, welcome back to Barabas GC. Today na the first time when they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Share the video and also follow this channel for more updates as it is hot. My people, they say that the bombardment is still going on for inside the Osrumogho, where the Nigeria army versus Biafra Liberation Army. No be smart, you know, they go for that side. It better make you hear them with your own ear and also watch with your own eyes. Let's play this video before we come back and continue.
That is why you can't stop us. You stop Nnamdi Kanu, you arrest Nnamdi Kanu. Who came up? Okay, let's go from the beginning. You conspire with the war power to end Biafra civil war without Biafra, deceiving Biafran that this is no victory, no banquet, that everything is going to set in order. Ojukwu agree, but the great prophet Liberatiőn tell you see this thing you are doing, if you repeat it again, the hand that will come after you will be stronger than us. And that said, they no go agree for you. You thought he was joking. You make things difficult for us. You seize our money. You increase the killing. You increase the punishment.
That were also great.
Person like Wazirike emerged. Though Wazirike came with a good mind,
who terrorized the enemy at Otangba, Amaibu.
You intimidate Wazirike, arrest him, prison him, and bribe him. Because he's a weak soul, he has a weak spirit. He does not know what it means to suffer long to get what you want. He gave up. He decided to sell his people out.
We also remember
and when Wazirike sold his people out, you thought you have won the battle. What happened? Nnamdi Kanu emerged.
The names are so many to mention.
Nnamdi Kanu emerged.
Watch out for the third edition of this historical war.
The son of the soil.
More names of the great Gallant
the head of the throne of Afari Ibeku
for fatherland.
And he came as a king to deliberate his children. Now you understand why you cannot defeat us. From one point to another, we are moving more stronger than you can ever think. Because we are the children of the rising sun. Just like this song singing. Do you understand this? And then you begin to battle against Nnamdi Kanu. At the end of the day, he surrendered himself to you. Just the same way the Europeans say Jesus surrendered their life to us that we might be free, for the humanity might be free from their sin. Nnamdi deliberately surrendered in life for you people to show you that he's not the only one on this struggle. To show you that he was not the only one sent to liberate Biafra. And what do? You arrested him. You imprisoned him for many years. Does it stop the struggle? What happened? Behold, Simon Ekpa, the great, the good guy. You refuse to learn. And now, what Nnamdi Kanu did not like or did not do, let me use the word did not do, Simon Ekpa is doing. Which means that, let me go back to the beginning. What Owazirike did not do, Nnamdi Kanu did. What Nnamdi Kanu could not do, Simon Ekpa is doing. If you lay your hands on Simon Ekpa, another person that will come up will do what Simon Ekpa could not do. You don't know I'm just giving you expo. That every step you make, push us go forward. And every step we make, human life involved. Human life involved. I'm not here to tell you other words. You bring death, come to the land of Biafra. You will die in the land of Biafra. You bring death, come to the land of Biafra. You can't stop us. Even though Simon Ekpa decided to surrender himself to you, and not, why are you people so blind like this? Every step, every move you make to stop this Biafra restoration, you always end up pushing us go forward. That is what I want to tell you. Every step you make, every step you take, every move you make, push us closer to our destination. And there is nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can, absolutely nothing. You have only one option. We do not give you two options. You have only one option. Even though we give you 100 options, it still leads to this one option. Biafra is a solution. Biafra is a solution of all your problems. Biafra is a solution to your naira going down. Biafra is a solution to your hardship. Biafra is a solution to your problem. Unproductive nation. Biafra is a solution. Let Biafra go and you will see prosperity in your way. Let Biafra go and you will see your economy rising. Let Biafra go and you will see your citizens smiling. Let Biafra go and you will live long. Old type Biafra, you all die here. And at the end, I'm here to tell you that Biafra will see come. You can't stop it.
Biafra, oh Biafra, is my hope. We are ready to defend Biafra, oh Biafra, oh Biafra. We are ready to defend Biafra, oh Biafra, is my hope.
Do you see us like a loser, a weak person? I will not be defending Biafra territory. Do you find it easy? Is it easy for you to penetrate? Is it easy for you to break in? 10 days today you have been fighting to break into a single camp. Have you able to succeed? How many armor tanga have you come with? Tucano jet fighter, one of the strongest in Africa. Fighter jet, all the machinery UK gave you, have you able to break in? Is it easy for you? I'm asking you a question. We are ready to defend Biafra. We are sent ready, and we will defend Biafra till the end. But as I told you, that the end of this game is Biafra win. There is nothing like no victory, no banquet. There must be victory this time around. And believe you me, this victory is definitely going to be on the favor of Biafra. We have come to stay. We go nowhere. You know why? Because this is the land of our ancestors. And we cannot leave an inch behind. Biafra must be restored in our time. What our forefathers suffer and live for us, we can never suffer and live for our children. And that is why we have taken an oath to restore Biafra. In our time, if need be, we die and resurrect again. But one thing is for sure, that we must make sure that we restore Biafra for the good of our children and our children unborn. They can never suffer what our fathers suffer and what we suffer. Never, never. That is the oath we take. So while you are preparing to come and kill us, ask yourself question. Is the blood not running in your vein? Is the blood not running in your vein? While you are preparing to come and kill us, please, I want you to ask yourself this question. Is the blood not running in your vein? Are you undieable? Are you undieable? Yes, that is a question you need to ask yourself. And if you have an answer, tell yourself that when you come, you will die. This is where I will draw the curtain for today. You saboteur, hear this, because there will be no forgiveness. No forgiveness for you, saboteur. Hear this. This is where I will stop. As you can hear bomb, another bomb explode. This one is from the this armor tanker that used to carry bomb in front. Is the one that just sent this. So I would like to draw the curtain from here until I come your way next time. Pass the message across that we are still here.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, don't hear them with your own ear of waiting they happen. And the reason why when Nigeria no fit stop them, no be smart. The way things they go right now for inside Nigeria. Oh God, prepare yourself. However, we'll not get much to talk for this video, but we'll go talk for inside comment section. May you try to leave your own opinion and share the video and let us know what you think. And if you like wetin this our brother wey be Biafran Liberation Army here dey talk, may you let us know for inside comment section. Oh, if you get your own question, may you still ask them. They watch as well. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update. As you dey hot, share the video and also follow this channel for more updates.